In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto DM your LinkedIn connections and followers effectively. We all know how important it is to maintain connections on LinkedIn, yet it can be quite time consuming to send each new connection a personalized message. Fortunately, there's a way to automate this process and ensure you make a memorable impression without putting in extra hours. First, you need to visit LinkedIn and sign into your account. Simply open your preferred web browser, go to linkedin.com and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now open a new tab and head over to the Chrome Web Store. Here, we're looking for a browser extension that will handle the task of sending automated welcome messages for us. In the search bar, type welcome feed, send LinkedIn, welcome messages. This extension is designed specifically to make your LinkedIn interactions smoother and more efficient. Click Add to Chrome to install it. Once installed, it should appear in your browser's extensions list, typically located near the top right corner of your browser window. Next, return to your LinkedIn account. On the main toolbar at the top, you'll see an option labeled My Network. Click on it to access your connections and pending invitations. In the section that shows your pending invitations, look for a button that says Manage. This will give you control over how you handle incoming connection requests. Once you've got a good view of your network and invitations, it's time to put Welcome Feed to use. Click on the Welcome Feed icon in your browser's extension list. You'll need to create a message template. This template is the message that will be sent to each new connection. So take a moment to craft something warm and professional. Be sure to include a friendly greeting and perhaps a brief note about looking forward to networking opportunities. After crafting your template, you'll see an option to set the percentage of incoming connection requests that you want to automatically accept and send a message to. Enter a percentage that you feel comfortable with, bearing in mind your current LinkedIn networking strategy. Once that's set, you're ready to activate the process. Finally, click Start on the Welcome Feed interface. From this point in real time, Welcome Feed will begin sending your personalized message to each new connection based on the criteria you've set. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to manage your LinkedIn welcomes and ensure you're always putting your best foot forward in your professional network. And there you have it. By using Welcome Feed, you can streamline your LinkedIn interactions, making it much easier to maintain and grow your professional connections. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your LinkedIn experience.